sure y'all getting up in the morning with the cash cars, checking the tires, making sure they're good. Trying to avoid all flats. Out here. Get you one of these right here. You get them at AutoZone. Not too much. I believe I paid about maybe $10 for this. Maybe not even that. You see them sitting at 33 psi. Tires was a little low yesterday. It was like 20 or like 19.5, what have you. But yeah, make sure you guys checking those tires out there, doing your basic maintenance on your vehicle. That way you stay off the side of the road. Yep, you're gonna stay off the side of the road like that.